Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to download and install Microsoft Teams on Windows 8, 7, and Windows 10. So the steps we're going to take is download the Microsoft Teams application, install the application independent to Taskbar and the Taskbar, and you can then log in with your credentials. So let's get started. Go ahead and go to your favorite browser, and let's go ahead and go to google.com. Once you go to Google, let's go ahead and type in download Microsoft Teams. I'm going to type that in and hit enter. Then you're going to see the first URL, download desktop and mobile apps. Go ahead and click on that. And then at that point, what we're going to do is go ahead and click on download for desktop. So once you do that on Google Chrome, it starts to download on and go ahead and click on the download Teams, and on the Google Chrome side you will see on the bottom left hand corner right here it has started the downloads. So once the download is done, then we can proceed on the next step. Alright guys, so as you see the download is done. As you see, Teams _ Windows x64.exe is downloaded. Also another place you can find this download is go to your Windows Explorer icon and go ahead and click on download. Now under downloads tab you will see the same exe Teams _ Windows x64 install file. It kind of sits here too. So go ahead and click on that. We're going to go ahead and click on this application here, which is going to start the installation process. Now at this point it may ask you for your username and password if somebody has password protected any installation on your Windows machine. So as you see now, Microsoft Teams is now installing on my machine, so we'll just have to be patient and let it get installed on here. So once the installation is done, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the installation is done. It did not take a very long time. So let's go ahead and get this pinned to your start menu, and let's go ahead and get it pinned to the taskbar. So go ahead and type in Teams on your start search bar, and as you guys can see, pinned to taskbar is available, and I think I already have it pinned to the start menu, but you can right click, and as you see, you will see a pin to start menu option here. So let's go ahead and launch the application from here, and now it should ask you for your username and password. So go ahead and put that in, guys, and then you should be able to log into your corporate or work or school Microsoft Teams account or any Teams account that you have. Also, don't forget, guys, this video is sponsored by TrueParkings.com. They provide parking services across states. Also, if you have a parking spot that you would like to list on their website, it's completely free. Go ahead and get that done and go to www.trueparkings.com. Then that's for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you another time. Thanks, and have a fantastic day ahead. Bye bye.